If you want your Serum 2 bass lines to cut through the mix and hit with the real power in your techno tracks, check this out. Here's the quick before and after processing demonstration in the full mix. And now, just the bass line and the kick. Last time, I showed you how to EQ a bass line, and this is where we are now. Today, we're taking it further. I'll walk you through how to use Devastor 2 to instantly get better bass, taming these peaks you can see here, and add more presence just like this. If you haven't subscribed yet, do it now. Don't miss the upcoming tutorials on the other plugins in this FX chain. You'll make your Serum 2 bass line punchy, powerful, and perfectly placed in the mix. The goal is to create a strong low-end foundation you can build your entire track on. And here's how I started. I need to have the kick and the bass line sounding great together to be able to build the whole track on, and Devastor 2 plays an essential part in it. Let's get started. So you can hear how D16 Devastor 2 really brings your bass lines to life, making them richer and more present in your techno tracks. In the next video, we're diving into sidechain compression to get that pumping groove, and I'll even share a bonus tip to level up your build-ups and transitions. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. See you in the next one.